KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I've got a real interesting one for you. It is a ham and spinach chowder. Weather turned cold, didn't know what to cook, opened up the refrigerator and freezer, and this is what I've got. Right, one slow cooker, two onions, roughly chopped, put that straight into your slow cooker. Don't have to go too crazy with that. Just make sure you get that in. I'm going to put in the equivalent of about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using my trusted garlic paste. And I'm putting in around about 5 potatoes, roughly chopped up as well. They can just go straight in. Now I've got a ham hock, which I always try and keep in the refrigerator during the cooler months. 1 litre of chicken stock. That goes straight in. And all of this I had in the pantry, in the cupboards, or in the freezer, or the refrigerator. Believe me, I keep this stuff all the time. You never know what you're going to cook. Put that on low. About 4 hours of cooking later, we're just going to take that lid off, drain that lid, makes a mess of everything. It's the only problem with a slow cooker. We're going to remove that ham hock, just like I'm doing right there. Let that cool a little bit, and we'll strip that meat off camera. Make sure you get rid of all the fat and all the rest of it. Just get the meat. Get your stick mixer, your stick blender, and just very carefully blitz all the potato and onion up. Very, very simple to do. And these stick mixers, I reckon, are the best little kitchen appliance that money can buy. This will make a real nice, sort of a thicker soup. We're going to really cream this up. 600 ml or 1 pint of cream, just bought from the supermarket. Don't go to your cow. Just put that straight in over the top, and we're going to keep warming this through. All we need to do now is use a spoon, give that a bit of a stir, get everything blended together. As you can see, we've got quite a nice, rich, thick, creamy soup. I'm using 250 grams of frozen spinach. Yes, frozen spinach, nothing wrong with it. Put that in around about 10 minutes before the end. It will defrost, it will reheat, and we won't lose too much heat out of our soup or our chowder. In goes all the meat that we've just stripped off that ham hock. That goes straight in. Make sure you get every single bit of it. And this is so gelatinous, and oh, you can make some crazy stocks with that ham hock. Anyway, a little bit of black pepper, coarsely ground, and this all started out as a bit of an experiment. Weather had changed. I thought, let's throw the camera on it and see what happens, and before you know it, here you go, you've got your own ham and spinach chowder. I can't believe how good it tastes. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to know and learn how I get an experiment and make an incredibly tasting meal just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I've already eaten this ham and spinach chowder. I know how good it tastes. I want you to do the same. I will catch you next time. Bye!